Rob saying I'm some J and count. I'm just from Con Emma, baby. I wow, swimming caviar. Aha, Michael Saints Media. And so to me, Guy election, you talk about me, but matters are rising, and Sema who will be a tree, and no one person know if you myself. And a new video be, in fact, many Yankara say NDC supporters are coming home, no way demonstration, they could use the office. I think no more SSS and never be and now was security force no above. And Tibabi, one check out to give you more AC. Na security force na banners go doom general trend so good nipa so after the whole incident, if you look at car pinus on a Yama says I don't think it's important about so any opinion for. Do you think NDC for MP before opinion for there's so much on mind? Why do you sacrifice so much for these things? Should you put near brain a demonstration? I was young, Mamma, Mujo Mahama Babiao. And I mean, when I see a drink at Yanam paying for Manu. Nipe, dear Nimu, so happy, say, Poyansem, I know yet day, Bimuko Prana to be free, action and Quan, Fasover and Father was idea so. Now, 2012, I remember, say, MP before Lucy election, there were 1 or 2 demonstrations in Bian Sana Airport. And at a point, Hunu Kufado no Jina Bas so on a platform so Kabumu Mokasa, but I don't want Kufado Bow. I think say I will see a sheer BB near who said these things are not helping. Among your 4 can or Makanipa or Makamo Gwenimu. Namu yet the Namo says, and Yamano Moma at Wada. So I'm GNA say, Obi or Ghana, while being at what you your mistake. John Mahama Kufad will be a minimum. So, run watch Jessica would run paying for the Waka rebel. Community Payana surrounded president, no. I was young. One year, why? I think, say, it's Yabuba, NDC for any Jemwa. The best thing is over court, now court, now my orders, now Yama would be sending a re election or a re counting or a new very terrible be any fancy. But as a man for dear Nimwako says, and Yaman on Fasubi and so. There was a video. I share in fact, my young, if you see a video, it's here.
I'm with GH1 TV.
She's an illiterate. She wasn't trained. She's not supposed to be the CEO of the company. No mama, no peace. 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 No mama, no peace.
Afi, there's an incident. A man for a non-politics, so yeah, Yamabia, and Tasmu. And on the MPP ni be a call trouble. Send a campaign or use a near no you work as a tea or human. Or human of us also in Kurunia, and your wax and man 40 lashes. Now, send up one of the Chine, the Nimas was 1 out to say yes, what you be able to home. And the politics in Tidipa Mwadi.
She's an illiterate. She wasn't trained. She's not supposed to be the CEO of the company.
Policies in tea about Frank Casap and you more, man who did not tell more can you pay. And Opia was politics for Ghana. A software. Look at a software pie prophesy elections. I see there is nothing at all which may was running. I saw them my bread. I can move a bomb pie more much or more sending Yamabisiacono. And then I hope we know politics. If software with dinner drum or sorry for a day, and this into my attitude home. Now I was saying, Cassette say, Eddie's a minion, but I'm moving as a hobby.
Child, see ya. Mama, come, Mama, so help you. Amen. Wow, that's.
fuka sa uba asoro ha ma dome sa to mama vini a
enti mini te se ni obeka but I only what was say am kom na ewie na enkoyi ano o ma ye enkoyi aso ye wiem 2020 I don't know enkom say na say for US professor what do I prophesy say Trump be win Trump am win no mu wie am say aban ye wiem tina Trump na court but up to 20th January since Trump be sorry and so but that's what na so e US president ni so me man ho donti Ghana dey hear me I don't think they have violence in order to choose a president. Professor Solinke Ekasembi, I say it's only in Africa where thieves regroup to steal nations' resources, and the youth whose future has been stolen are then jubilating. Me know that thing, and I'm paying for the deep graph to so what being is MPP NDC paying for the children mine who many at what it's high time you and me, young as a force on near yard, yeah, boy. As I said, yeah, politicians so. We I guess was 7 January, near see president, you're not trained so no ye the ministers. Now why yeah, to post more lobby post na se voir. You are never catch us a moment so no mind why. And the 100 cities be 200 cities be a man wow the year now come to Pano would you no 3 days 3 seconds binasa. Then you have a whole 4 years to think about. Dumsa would do futura would why them. Since 1957 Ghana independence. Yet quite you know that futu. Yet to me a full continuous 1 month I no light. A bill that's no for musu. Utie ye promise o kakra kwa be ya de ane abetubo ha ma na no be pompisa no obati na ya ebi mo da su ko school we wo biase Ghana I don't know why say population census recent one yes say 30 million say look at the resources I as Ghanaians and by for that is no na edi na yen ye guase ho kontokwa na ebi mu prepro mo ho about 20 no obi ni ayaka obi ni mama ayaka just because of because one DC MPP. We're just wasting our time on these politicians. Now wish one day a election time brother abako no obi anu a woto aba. And I saw wish say politicians and our political party be organizing well grand obi nsiase. But of course, you better 100 cities 200 cities be mama for no one asia ko yedede. Look at Bass bia miaka bi na nipa tata ho a any display e kwateto e ma nipa 6 ewu ho a feso obi akofa ballot box odi dwan na esutu no e dey na be free 100 cities 200 cities ya be nipa dodo a ahia na ye demonstration nipa dodo a ahia na ye dede ahia self dem ha mama no oi akufo adom ma na omo oi mu ba omi amma bia na abusuafo bi o all because of kakra de be mountain afio magana hu hia o Ghana ho do na dwen wan kasa ho na kakra bia betimi do nsa ye na beboa no abusua no election yesi ni ba be mensa na 9 ene wu said the stories in eba aye ni so a politicians e MPP ni na NDC ni a omukọ family no ni akosra wo 2 seconds bi ni aye na ya pe kakra bia so no the nipa no wa yere no waja we no ma wa they will suffer for a very long time and say na bia omo na esi bi so. This is Ghana. And ebe bia meka Ghana by ansa na politics iba oman no e baye odo aye wo ma ye ho no baye ansa na NDC ni MPP sem no what is this? I so wish say it would be so peaceful. Say be court to say be dio say dey you. Don't let politicians fool you. Mama yemi. Anyway, but I say hi Michael Saint Media Bedin and Michael Saint. Namen count out for Ebisha. Bye bye.
Like, subscribe to Michael Saint Media. Thank you.